For project 1.5, the blinking message, we went ahead and created our flowchart in our program to demonstrate what should actually occur during this project. For this design requirements, we created a program that part of the message will scroll. You will see the letters, numbers, or symbols within that message. We'll display at least one image, and actually we have several different animations as well going on in here, which is your last requirement. So taking a quick look at our flowchart, let's see what our program should do, and does the program actually execute that code in the end. So taking a look at our flowchart, up here we have an event handler that states then button A is pressed. So nothing will happen with my program until we actually press the A button on our microbit. Once the A button is pressed, we should see Pac-Man scroll across the screen, followed by our ghost, which will scroll across the screen as well. And then we're going to get into a repeat loop. So what we're trying to have occur here is if it repeats 3 times, we'll continue on with our code. But until it repeats 3 times, we're going to see a flashing image of a power pellet come up on our screen. So as that power pellet flashes 3 times, once that goal is achieved, we'll then go ahead and see the ghost now scrolling across the screen, and that ghost will be followed by Pac-Man. We'll have a half-second delay before we see the string that says the end. We'll pause again for 500 milliseconds or a half a second. We'll see an image of our frowny face, pause one more time, and then clear screen. Our program will loop once the A button is pressed for a second time. So let's go ahead and take a look on our emulator here and see if we do get the desired outcome. And there you have it. Our flowchart was executed throughout our program. Everything that showed up looked like it should have showed up. Going back over it, we did see part of the message scrolling, and that was where it stated the end towards the end of our program. We did see at least one image with no animation, and that was that frowny face at the last part of our program. And then we saw several different animations. We had our Pac-Man scrolling, we had our ghost scrolling across the screen as well. And then we showed a different type of animation where we had our power pellet repeat 3 times.